Hi Taurus! Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading. So, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Pwede ninyong panoorin ang inyong moon and rising placements kasi minsan ay mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon kaysa inyong sun sign. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Taurus. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Let us see what are the energies and messages for you. For Taurus, please. For Taurus. Okay. We have resources. Be grateful for what you have and save something for the future. Use wisely and as needed. Okay. Save something for the future, Taurus. Okay? Huwag spend ng spend sa mga unnecessary things. Okay? Save for the future. Use wisely and as needed. Success. Choosing the right direction and actively overcoming difficulties. You are on the right track. Okay? Kung nasaan ka man ngayon, kung anong ginagawa ninyo, Taurus, you are on the right track. You will find success on it. Nice. We have love affair. Okay? Beware, love affairs at work, rarely and well. Don't lose your mind. Okay? For some of you, merong love affair at work. Don't lose your mind. Be wise, be smart. Okay? Taurus. Okay, mag-ingat sa mga ganyang sitwasyon. Most especially if you are already committed to someone else. Okay. Let's see what are the messages from the tarot. Beware, love affairs at work, rarely and well. Don't lose your mind. Success, nasa inyong panig, Taurus. Okay, ingatan ang inyong mga resources, ang inyong kaperahan. Okay, save for the future, magtira, magkaroon ng emergency funds, something like that, Taurus. So those are the messages for you. Let us see messages for Taurus, please. Energies and messages for Taurus. Looking forward for the future. Meron kayong mga pinaplano, something exciting, okay? Nag-iisip ba kayong magbakasyon? Okay, for some of you, uuwi ng inyong provinces or ng inyong probinsya. Maybe you are working abroad and you are planning already. Okay? Travel. Kailan paghandaan. Ingat sa mga deception, lies, dishonesty. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong tinatakasan or meron bang tumatakas? May umiiwas ba sa inyo or kayo yung umiiwas? Okay? It may be related sa work, sa home life niyo, personal life. Yeah. Change your life now, Taurus, okay? Something good will come. Something exciting. There is a chance for you to expand, to grow sa work or financially, okay? May mga bago ba kayong creative projects, passion projects na naisip or kailangang umpisahan? Ingat sa deception, okay? Merong inggit sa work. Choose your battles wisely. Merong gulo in a situation. Love affair, okay? Meron ka bang hindi alam, Taurus? There is something going on that meets the eye. Okay? More going on than meets the eye. Okay. May kailangang baguhin or merong pagbabago na mangyayari. Embrace the change, Taurus. Unexpected na pangyayari. Okay? Merong pagbabago, merong shift, pwedeng sa prinsipyo nyo, sa mindset, or sa isang situation na kailangan, na parang it's time already to change something. Okay? Merong stalking and spying, getting information. Nagsaspy kayo or merong someone na nagsaspy, kumukuha ng information about you. Merong stalking. Yeah. Sa work, namamayagpag kayo, okay? Kinikilala or magaling kayo sa inyong ginagawa. You are victorious sa work. Okay? If you are doing online work, nakikilala kayo, nare-recognize, okay? You are known or popular, but some people are not happy of what you have achieved. Choose your battles wisely, okay? Choose your battle wisely. Kailangan mo depensahan. Defend yourself, defend your beliefs. Defend what you have, Taurus. Maraming may gusto sa kung anong meron ka ngayon. Okay. Is this worth the fight? Something like that. Siguro kailangan nyo magpahinga, i-assess yung mga bagay-bagay sa inyong sitwasyon, sa inyong relationship. Okay. Yung hard work ninyo, you will be rewarded, okay? Parang almost nasa finish line ka na. Madami ka na ring nagawang effort. Okay? There are times na napapagod ka na, okay? Parang nawawalan ka na ng pag-asa, but you're still moving forward, okay? Hindi naman masama kung humingi ka ng tulong if you need one, okay? May isang pangyayari na kailangan ng iyong immediate action. Consider your options. Kailangan mo ng review before you act. Okay? Someone needs your attention. Maybe you are dealing with a fire sign. Okay, Sagittarius. They can feel na parang you sense something. They can feel na parang magi-give up ka na, okay? And now they need your attention. Napapagod ka na, okay? Nurture yourself. Taurus, baka kailangan mo ng time para sa sarili mo. Okay. You've been taking care a lot of or taking care a lot of people, okay? Yung mga nasa paligid mo, sa pamilya mo, anak mo, asawa mo, mga friends. Now it's time to focus on yourself. Sarili mo naman ang iyong intindihin, okay? Marami ka nang napagdaanan na mga difficulties, paghihirap, backstabbing, dishonesty, deception. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo may iniindang na sakit sa likod. Okay, napapagod na. But you know you will overcome those challenges and difficulties. Okay? Embrace the change. Yeah. Keep moving forward. Taurus, huwag kang mawala ng pag-asa. You are a strong person, okay? You've been hurt, you've been bruised, but you're still standing up, okay? Kailangan mo pagtuunan ng pansin ng sarili mo, nurture yourself, develop yourself, okay? It's not the end of the world. Stand up. Keep fighting. Keep on believing that everything will be okay and will be settled. Taurus. Yeah, you may be dealing with a fire sign. Parang napapagod ka na. Merong mga deception and dishonesty. Okay, but now he or she wants your attention. Kasi nasisense niya na parang napapagod ka na rin, okay? That you are giving up. Now he wants to get back to you and get your attention, okay? Ang tinitingnan mo din kung bibigyan mo pa ba ito ng panahon or ng attention. Okay, so let's see ano pa yung mga messages for you, Taurus. For Taurus. Keep moving forward. Believe in yourself. Value yourself, Taurus. Okay. For some of you, it's the other way around. Depende sa inyong sitwasyon. Kite, vacation. Mukhang nag-iisip kayo ng bakasyon and kailangan nyo ng bakasyon. Okay, nagpaplano na. You're thinking about it. Desk, pay attention to your work. Pay attention to your work. Focus. Yung iba sa inyo, undivided or divided yung attention. Okay? Parang hindi kayo nakafocus sa inyong trabaho dahil marami kayong iniisip, mga issues, okay? Peacock, beware of great pride. Beware of great pride. Merong pride. It's either you or yung ibang tao. Ayaw mag-give in. Okay? Grapes, time to go out and have fun. Yes. Have fun. Time to go out. Nurture yourself. Punta ka ng salon, paspa ka, okay? Shopping. Watch movies, okay? Bird flying. News is on the way. May balita na paparating sa inyo. Will. Indecisiveness. Allowing your life To ramble aimlessly. Indecisiveness. Okay. Just believe in yourself. Magtiwala, Taurus, na ma-overcome mo yung mga nararanasan mong challenges ngayon. Okay? Focus on yourself. Focus on your well-being. Okay? So, ito yung mga messages for you, Taurus. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye!